Hello, friends. Now, I'm not sure if you knew this, but this summer actually marks the 30th anniversary of the Commodore Amiga. 30 years since the release of the original Amiga 1000 back in summer 1985. And if that doesn't deserve a party, I don't know what does. So I just quickly wanted to let you know that this June, there's going to be a massive birthday party for the Amiga in Amsterdam. So the date for your diary is Saturday, June 27th, and it's going to be happening at the Lighthouse in Amsterdam. Now, not only will there be hundreds of Amiga fans showing off hardware, software, sharing memories and stories, you'll also get to meet the guys behind the machine. Honestly, the guest list for this event pretty much reads like a who's who of the Amiga. We're talking people like R.J. Michael, who was one of the fathers of the Amiga, one of the original designers before Commodore even bought it, and he developed the Intuition user interface software. Later, he went to co-invent the Atari Lynx, the 3DO. He was a senior manager at Sony working on the PlayStation. This guy is an industry legend, and you'll get to meet him on the day. Also in attendance, Dave Haney, a former Commodore engineer who was the man behind systems like the Amiga 1200, the A4000, not to mention the mythical AAA chipset that he was working on at the time when Commodore went under. And of course, you probably know Dave from the infamous Deathbed Vigil documentary about Commodore's final days. Now, also attending, David Pleasance, he's going to be there, the former managing director of Commodore UK. He was also the guy behind the ill-fated Commodore UK attempted buyout of the entire company before Escom beat them to it back in 1995. So I'm sure that David is going to have lots of juicy stories to share on the day. Other names include Petro, the former manager of Amiga Technologies under Escom, Jens Schonfield, who's the guy behind individual computers, stuff like the Indivision scan doublers, the ACA accelerators, and lots more. And also there on the day, me. Now, I do feel a bit stupid mentioning my name alongside legends like R.J. Michael and Dave Haney, but I could not miss this party for the world. So if you're going to be there on Saturday, June 27th for the Amiga's 30th birthday in Amsterdam, I'll be there too, getting footage on the day, so definitely come and say hi. And you can find out more and book your tickets right now. The website is amiga30.eu, amiga30.eu. All the links will be in the video description, and I'll see you there to celebrate the Amiga's 30th birthday this June in Amsterdam. Bring it on!